Normally, building a business like this would take weeks, but GoHighLevel's AI just built the website, AI agents, CRM, calendars, automations, and an entire business backend in minutes. And in this video, I'm gonna give you my master AI engineer prompt for free and show you how to do this for yourself. So the AI process I'm about to show you on high level right now is going to change AI agencies forever. And this is probably one of the most powerful videos I've ever made, and I'm not seeing anything else like this. So what we're legitimately going to be doing is using this master AI engineer business prompt. It's huge. We'll go over it in a sec. Generating a draft in ChatGPT and then pasting in these 3 different builders. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through step by step how this is done. And essentially all of these are going to work at the same time to build out an entire business high level. I'm not even kidding you. I have never seen anything this powerful. It's not like, oh, it just builds a website and a couple of stuff. It literally builds everything. So I'm talking a full website. It builds SEO pages, creates lead forms, creates booking calendars, builds a CRM pipeline, creates an AI chatbot, creates an AI voice agent, creates automations, creates lead nurture sequences, creates follow-up systems, creates appointment reminders, creates pipeline automations, creates reactivation campaigns, creates internal notifications, and connects everything together in one business system. Yes, the prompt I just showed you legitimately does all of this. I'm not even kidding you. This is absolutely insane. This is not just hype. You're about to see. This is the craziest thing High Level's ever done. And with this prompt, it is going to absolutely blow you away. I also want to let you know that this prompt is going to be free right down below. You do not have to sign up with my affiliate link, but it will be free, and it is absolutely insane. I mean, this is possibly the most powerful prompt I have ever created, and I just want to give it to you free. Also, if you're interested in high level, 30-day free trial down below, so get started with that. And if you have any questions during this video, drop them in the comments down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into it. So there's 3 things you're going to need to pull up. Number 1, okay, the vibe coder, which is this right here in Agent Studio. You're then going to need Ask AI pulled up, just like this, which is right up here. And then last but not least, the AI automation builder, which is right in automations, and it should pop up just like this or under here. So you need these 3 pulled up. This is going to be the flow, and all of these AI employees work at a different rate, and that's how we're going to maximize this. So then what you're going to need to do is you need to take this AI prompt and then fill it out. So if you see in here, I've made it really easy. I've literally highlighted the things you need to fill out in yellow, very simply. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this entire thing, come right into ChatGPT and paste it. Now, you can fill it out in here if you want. I'm not going to do it because it's going to change the prompt right now, but I actually recommend you fill it out in here where you see it's in yellow, so it'll be easier. So very simply, you just have to fill it out. So I'll walk you right through filling it out. So first things first, you need to put in the business name. So we're just going to be using John's Plumbing. Now, you're just going to fill out each of these. So now we're going to do business niche type. So fill in the niche, plumbing. It's very easy, guys. I've made it as simple as possible. Insert location. We're going to do Washington, D.C. Primary services. This is where you want to put each of the services they offer that are primary. Now, yes, a business does a ton, but we want to get what is most likely. So we're going to do hot water installs, toilet fixes, and clogged pipes. So again, guys, as you see right here, you're just filling out exactly what it says. It's very simple. And if you don't know any of this and you're like, what the hell does that mean? Either drop a comment down below and I can guide you through it, or just look at their website and copy and paste. Very easy. And if they don't have a website, you can always just ask them. Primary offer, what are they going to be doing? We're going to do same day service. A lot of time it's like free estimate or something like that. It's kind of like a lead magnet. Main goal, okay, what do we want this thing to do? We want this right here. So we're going to leave exactly what it says. This is what we want all of this stuff to do. Because again, guys, this is building out a bunch of different stuff. It's building out AI agents, websites, all these different things in one prompt. So we want to fill it out. So again, guys, we're just going to keep going through. What do we want? Homeowners. We're just going to leave that right there. Again, fill it out just like this. If you have any questions, just let me know. We're just going to do modern and trustworthy. I like what's right here. Again, you can add whatever you want. Main CTA, we're just going to do get free quote. Business hours, very important. We're going to do Mon to Fry. We'll do 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. You put in whatever the business hours are. Communication channels, we're going to get rid of these 2, but you just put in whatever would be there. SEO location, this is really important. You need main city plus state. Now you can serve other stuff, but we want the main city plus state. This prompt, guys, does SEO too, so it's very important. And I know this might seem a little boring that we're filling this out step by step, but this is how you're going to save hours worth of time. So come in and fill this out just like this. SEO location, we're just going to do main city will be Washington, D.C., and it'll just be D.C. because the capital. Now, main SEO services, this is really important. We're going to want to take what we put up here and we're going to want to put it down here because again, guys, this is going to plug in all of that stuff. And then anything else you want to put in the business, you can. I'm just going to leave it right there. But now that you see all of that and it's all filled out and you've gone through and you've made sure that all of this stuff is filled out, all we're going to do is click enter and let this thing work. And again, guys, make sure you have your vibe coder out, your Ask AI out, and the AI automation, because we are just going to copy and paste each of these sections into these builders, and they're going to go to town for us, and it's going to get done in minutes. Guys, I'm not even joking. Non-hype, non-me just trying to be a guru and be like, oh, this is amazing. This blew me away when I ran through this because it literally does everything for you. Okay, here it is. So now what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste these into these 3 different sections and make it go to work. So as you see, if we come all the way down here, okay, it'll break, and then it's going to go into the Ask AI prompt. So very simply, one at a time. So we're going to copy this entire thing all the way down to right here because it says end website prompt builder. By the way, this prompt took me forever to build. It seems like it's just easy to build AI prompts. It's actually not because the AI geeks out and does the wrong thing. So this took forever. So please use it. It's free down below. But I'm going to copy this, come into the vibe coder, click enter, all of this stuff I wanted because SEO and all stuff, and then I'm going to click go. And it's immediately going to go and start building this thing out. Now that I have that, I then come right here, the copy and paste in the AI section. We're going to come right down here. Same exact thing. Guys, this does all the heavy lifting for you. Okay. See, it says end this prompt. We're going to come right here. We're going to copy this, come right into the Ask AI prompt, paste it, click enter. We're then going to come right down here to the automation builder, copy, or the automation prompt, copy this entire thing right here, copy, final one, enter, boom, let them all work. So as you see here, we got this going and this going, all as separate AI employees working for you. Again, if you guys have any questions about this entire process, each of these and how this works, drop in the comments down below and I will answer personally. But I'm telling you right now, this master prompt that I created, that I have given you, is one of my finest prompts I've ever built. And as you see here, you put in all the business info once, and then for the 3 different sections, it puts it in to save time. Because I thought, in my mind, I was like, how could I make this as plug and play as possible so that people could just come in, use it, and then be right off to the races? And this is what I found. So let's see what it does. Okay, here we are. This is insane. Okay, so first round, it got said website done. Let's check this out. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, so it's waiting for approval on all of these. Then let's check the automations. Oh my Lord. This is insanity. Look at this. It created all of this. I'm not even kidding you. And I think 1 minute and 20 seconds. I'm not even joking you. This was so unbelievably quick. So we have 3 different assets, but they're not done yet. We have to go through and make sure everything is connected and working, because I wouldn't be the GHL wizard if we did it halfway. We have to actually go through and make sure everything is properly working. So the first thing we actually need to do, because I'm saying it's trying to pick a calendar, is we need to make sure that these are all done first, because that's what's going to go into the vibe coder. So we're just going to do this right here. We're going to copy and paste this, paste it in just like that. And now what this is going to do is this is going to go through, generate all this. Then we're going to come back right here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pick the right calendar and then connect to CRM. So real quick, while this is loading, this is really important. When you're going through this whole process using these 3 tools, you can't just build it and then walk away. Again, this is why I'm giving you the pro tips and this AI prompt, is that it builds it up, but you have to type in a couple quick things to make sure everything is connected and working so that it works. And in this video, I'm going to test for you here right as it's done to show you that this actually worked. Because a lot of these guys online right now, they're just saying, isn't this awesome? But they're not actually showing you that it works because they didn't set it up properly. I'm going to show you that this works and make sure it's set up properly. So let's go through and let's check our work. And look at that. In 147 seconds, it did all of this. So let's quickly make sure we have all this so then we can do this. So let's do a quick check. So we're going to come down to calendars, calendar system. Oh my gosh, look at that. It built both calendars out. This is insane, dude. Let's go to AI agents, voice AI. Let's see if it did it. Let's go to agent. Built out Luna. Let's go to conversation AI. Built out Luna. Let's go to opportunities, see what it built. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, dude. It created the pipeline too. This is so insane to me that it's this powerful. Like, I literally just told this thing to work for me and it built out so many different assets. I didn't even check all the assets, but let's come back into here now because I want to see what calendars are pre-populating. So let's refresh this page real quick. Okay, it does this one. So we're going to say, please check calendars again, because ours popped up. So it's going to look at that. I love it. This is amazing. We're going to click John's general service. This is insane. The future is coming too quickly. So then what we're going to do is we're going to click connect. Okay, because now we want to connect this. Again, a lot of these people on YouTube are doing the first step. We want to make sure everything is working, then run tests. Boom. Okay, it's connected. I love it. Boom, 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 working. But now the part you want to do, you want to click this. Please, so many people don't do this, and this is why their vibe coded sites don't work. You have to connect to the CRM. You have to get it in the CRM. And the way you do this is by clicking connect. So now we're going to connect to CRM so this entire thing is properly working. So after that, we're going to do a quick test on said website, make sure it's working. Then we're going to make sure this stuff right here is working. Then we're going to test our automation to make sure everything is working in a 1, 2, 3 process. So everything is live. Okay, awesome. It then has been connected to the CRM. So let's try it out. By the way, let's just quickly look at this. This is beautiful, man. This AI is insane. Let's walk through. So what we're going to do is we're going to make sure we're going to come into contacts, same sub account, to see if this pre-populates and it goes through. Again, you have to test your vibe coded sites, make sure they're connected, or this whole thing doesn't work. And a lot of people like just throw this in, look, it didn't work. It's like, well, you didn't do it properly. So let's try this. We're just going to do test. We're going to do test 1, 2, 3, 4, gmail.com zip code. Then we're just going to do 3442 White Hart Lane, Virginia Beach. Pick the date we want. We'll do this day. We'll just do 7 a.m. and we'll just do pipes clogged. Then we're going to confirm booking request. Appointment booked successfully. We will contact you shortly. Let's see. Moment of truth. Did it work? So we're going to hop on right over to contacts and look at that. That is beautiful. It went through, it created contact. Let's go to calendars and let's see. Boom, boom, went through. It did it all. And we just threw in test. So obviously it's a test, but look at that. It went through and did all of it. So that's perfect. So our vibe coded website is now connected to GoHighLevel CRM. So it works. So that's step number 1. Get the website and the forms and everything working. The calendars, it all booked in one. You guys seeing how powerful this prompt is? It created all of that. Calendars, forms, booking, website, SEO. I mean, look at this. It's all these pages have been built and they're SEO optimized. I mean, do you guys see how crazy this is? Like, this is absurd how powerful this is. Like, this is a whole new industry opening up. So this is awesome. Okay, step number 1, checked. Now what we need to do is we need to come through and we need to make sure that all of this stuff is working. So we have the pipeline and the AI agents and the smart tags. So the smart tags, I've already seen them. They are there. We can go look anyway. We'll just check those right now. Yes, they're, gosh, it's insane. They're all already in there. But let's go back and let's check each of these to make sure they're working. So first things first, let's check the pipeline. We're going to come to opportunities. We already looked at this. So John's Plumbing Service Calendar. Beautiful. It looks set up with every single stage dialed in. We now go to AI agents because if we come back here, you will see that we have Luna AI agent. Okay. And then we have Luna AI voice receptionist. So we need to check both these. So we're going to go to AI agent first. Our voice agent, we're going to click Luna and we're going to run a quick demo to make sure all of this stuff is working. So we're going to do web call. Let's try it out.
Thank you for calling John's Plumbing. This is Luna speaking. How can I help you today?
Hey, Luna, how you doing? I am trying to get my toilet fixed.
Hi there. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. I'm sorry to hear about the trouble with your toilet. Let's get that sorted for you. Could I start by getting your name and contact information?
Yes, it'll be Declan the Wizard, and my email is declanthealmightywizard@gmail.com.
Got it. Just to confirm, your email is declanthealmightywizard@gmail.com, correct?
See.
Thanks for clarifying. Could you spell out the email address for me so I can make sure I've got it right?
Yes, DECLANALMIGHTYWIZARD @gmail.com.
Thanks for that. So, just to confirm, your email is DECLANALMIGHTYWIZARD@gmail.com, correct?
Yes.
Perfect, thanks. Now, could I also get your phone number and address so we can arrange a visit to fix your toilet?
Yes. I have a quick question, though, first. Is plumbing usually expensive?
Good question. Costs can vary depending on the issue and the work required. For something like a toilet...
That's insane. So I can keep going. It'll obviously book my appointment, but you get the point that it works. That's crazy. It also, if you notice, it corrected. It said @ symbol, but it then immediately went to @. So powerful, so smart. This thing is already set up and dialed in. Obviously, if you want to tweak all of these little things, you want to watch my full AI voice agent video to get it working just right. By the way, drop a comment down below if you want to see that. So that's the first step. Okay, AI agent working, pipeline working. Now let's see if the conversational bot is working. So let's come in here and let's give this bad boy a little testy. All right, let's do hello, how are you? Let's run it. Let's see what it does. Yes, my toilet needs fixing. Didn't even spell it right. leaking. I need to book appointment. Let's see what it does. Make sure it is actually going through. Beautiful. Okay, so it's going to go through and book. It's asking for my information. It'll go right through. For the sake of time, you guys already understand how this works. I have other videos on this, but boom, it understands it. It goes through. So that is insane. So we've legitimately gone through this entire thing, and it is built out all of this. Smart tags, calendars, you name it. Literally, we come right into calendars, and you'll see like it created calendars even. Like right there and right there. Insanity. Okay, that is absolutely beautiful. It has done that. So far we have our website, all that stuff connected to the high-level CRM. That's all been dealt with. We now have our sales pipeline, AI agent, AI voice agent, smart tags, and calendars all booked up. So that is incredible. We now just have to make sure our automation is working so that everything is properly set up. And you guys just saw, I tested these AI voice agents. I tested the form. I'm not like these other guys just saying it works. I am showing you that this works. This is legit. We use this prompt and we're building a business in minutes. This would take weeks before. So the last thing we need to do is we need to make sure that this automation is properly working. And you see there are some error signs, so it needs to be fixed. So this is a pretty dope automation here, but let's go through and let's quickly fix this thing up. So if you ever want just quick pro tip, you can click this. You'll see the errors right here to fix. So you come right here and you can click this and Ask AI will help resolve it. So if we click this, it'll go through and show you essentially what's wrong and help you fix it. A lot of time I can do it yourself. Sometimes you have to do it manually, but I'll just show you a couple of the glaring things. So first thing, you got to have the right form. So pick the form you have. We're going to do form is website form. We're going to save this bad boy. Calendar, we want to pick the exact calendar. We're going to do in calendar, and we're going to do the general service, which is what that created. And then you can add in any of this other stuff here, but a lot of this is already dialed. But then here, it's just simple stuff like, well, what pipeline? Well, you're going to do the John's plumbing pipeline that Ask AI created. Does that make sense? If you guys are confused, drop a comment down below. It's not too complicated, but that's essentially how it works. And then you go through for each of these and you plug in the exact info you would need. So lead nurture decision, you want to fill all this stuff out, put the right email in, all that good stuff. Contact found, figure out how you want to do it. Do you want to do it just email is not empty, is empty, put in the right email, or you can do like a wait condition. It all depends. If you're confused at all about this, let me know in the comments so I send you a proper automations tutorial. But this stuff you really just have to go through and fix. And what I recommend you do is you ask AI with questions. So if you come right here, if you're like, what the hell does no contact found? Click this right here and it's going to tell you exactly what's wrong. So to resolve the issue in contact found trigger, follow these steps. Open the contact found trigger. At least one condition branch is required. So if you come in here, you're going to need a condition. So you can add this in and you're going to do and contact details, and you can do standard fields or assigned user, and then includes Ryan Jones, and then you save. So again, it depends on what you're trying to do. I know that may look like, well, what the hell did he just do? It all depends on what you're trying to do and how you're trying to do it. Again, if you're like, what the freak is Declan talking about? This makes no sense. Drop a comment down below so the automation part's tricky, and I will send you the automations tutorial. The best thing to type in actually is send me automations tutorial right down below. So I'll send it to you so all of this makes sense. It's not hard, I promise. It looks scary, but it's quite easy. It's just understanding how this process works. And from there, once you get these other two dialed, you're completely good to go, and then we're fine. And again, if you're confused, what I recommend you do is you come right in here and then you click these to figure them out, because this will tell you exactly what you need. It says value must be specified for the identify the required fields. So if we come in email, it could be business name, and we could do, again, just a test. I'm not trying to mess with this, but we're just for the sake of the video to get it working, but you put in what you actually want. Again, if you're confused, I'll help you with that down below. Same thing as before, we could just do a time delay of 15 minutes, save, and then just make sure the contact right there is dialed in. And then from there, once we have that, we're good to go. You just click save, you run it through, and then what I recommend you do is you test bot. You go through with the test to make sure it's working. This is kind of a bigger automation, so if it confuses you all and you're like, what the heck is going on? Again, please drop a comment down below because I can help you out. But that's it, guys. That is how powerful this is. There's really nothing like this, guys. You just saw me right in here go through this and this with one master prompt, and it built all of this. And as you saw before, it was working. It built out all of the AI agents. It built out the entire CRM that's set up and moving. It's done it all. The tags, the website. I mean, guys, this is absurd. I have never seen anything as powerful. And guys, you can get this free prompt down below. It is so powerful. It took me a long time to build. I know some of this stuff is like, oh, it's easy, but like I would build this prompt and the website wouldn't come out right, or the forms wouldn't come out right, or the calendar, or the AI chatbot wouldn't work. Like prompt creation is actually much harder than you think, because you create something and it looks good on the surface. You go, ooh, ChatGPT created me this amazing prompt. And then you use it and it doesn't work. The AI just screws you over. So it's taking me a lot of time to tweak this. And yeah, you just have to properly get it dialed in. So that's it, guys. That's what you need to do to get this entire process working. So again, guys, if you have any questions, drop them down below. If you're interested in high level, click that 30-day trial, get started, get into my community. But most importantly, watch the video I'm about to link at the end, because what it's going to do is it's going to show you how to use all the AI features in GoHighLevel in depth. It's a playlist I created on YouTube. It's all of the AI features features. It constantly gets updated. I recommend you start binge watching those because it's going to give you a little more insight, especially with like the automation builder and all these things, so you understand the little nuances. I really recommend you do this because this is going to help you get a lot better. Because with AI, it's more important that you know what is going on and then the AI does the work for you. Because again, if you're an idiot and you just start using AI without learning anything, AI is going to go down the wrong path and you're not going to know whether it's working or not. You want to know just enough so that you can give AI the right directions. Like imagine you hire somebody to build retaining walls or mow lawns when you've never mowed a lawn before. See how it's kind of weird? You're like, hey, go mow the lawn, but they don't know either and neither do you. So you want to have just a little bit of experience. So you go, hey, do it this way. Then AI will be your best friend and it will build for you very quickly. So that's why I recommend you watch the video and the playlist that pops up right now because it will change everything. Thanks again for watching and watch the playlist.